In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an invoice using Stripe, a popular online payment processing platform. Creating invoices with Stripe helps you manage your billing process efficiently and ensures that you get paid on time. Let's walk through the process step by step, and by the end of this guide, you'll feel confident navigating Stripe's billing feature. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Stripe homepage. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the Stripe dashboard. This centralized hub is where you can access various tools and insights about your business transactions. Next, look for the Billing tab in the main navigation menu, typically located on the left side of the dashboard. Clicking on Billing will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll see several options. From this menu, select Invoices. This page gives you an overview of all your current, past, and overdue invoices. Now we're getting to the heart of our task. Look for a button that says Create an Invoice. Click this to start drafting a new invoice. This feature is straightforward yet flexible, allowing you to customize details to suit your business needs. Begin by selecting the company or individual to whom you're sending the invoice. Ensure that their details are filled out accurately, as this information will appear on the invoice itself. Next, choose the currency you would like the invoice to be billed in. Stripe supports a wide range of currencies, making it easy to do business internationally. Now you'll need to add the items or services purchased. This part involves listing each item with a brief description, quantity, and price. Remember to check your entries for accuracy to prevent any misunderstandings later on. After you've itemized what's being billed, decide on the payment terms. This includes selecting when you would like the payment to be due. You can request immediate payment or set a specific number of days for the payment to be completed. Additionally, you can schedule the send date for the invoice if you're preparing this in advance. Another important option is the delivery method. The most common and efficient way to send an invoice is via email. By selecting Email Invoice to Customer, Stripe will automatically send it to the email address associated with the recipient. Make sure this information is up to date to avoid any delay. Finally, once you've reviewed all the details and ensured everything is correct, simply click on the Send Invoice button. And there you have it. The invoice is on its way to your customer. With practice, this process becomes second nature, helping you streamline your billing and maintain good cash flow. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful in demystifying the Stripe invoicing process.